Hello everyone, welcome to the channel SRS. This is Sumit Roy and we are studying digital electronics in that combination circuit, and we have completed the addition part, adder parts, and now we are introducing subtractor. First we'll deal with half subtractor, then we'll introduce full subtractor. Half subtractor means subtraction between two bits. Okay, let's start. So what is intended is x and y are to be subtracted. Now as we subtract, we'll get difference and borrow. There will be two parts. So I'll write the configurations as there are. It's a half subtractor, means n equal to 2 and L equal to 2 to the power n, means possible combinations are 4. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. With respect to this, there is borrow and difference. Okay, for 0, 0, that is, I'll do the subtraction here. But 0 minus 0 is 0, no borrow is required, 0, 0, so 0 and 0. If 0 minus 1 is done, then 1 is this is the borrow. This is the borrow, so 1 is being borrowed. Now 1, 0 minus 1, that is if in decimal number system it is subtracted, then it represents 2, it represents 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, or 1, 0 minus 1 is 1, whatever, 1. 1 minus 0, so it's no borrow is required, directly 1, borrow is 0, so borrow is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0 and borrow is 0, so 0 and borrow is also 0. So this is it. Now if we get the logic done by the K map, by reducing it by the help of K map, then for difference it's x and y 0 1 0 1. So for difference the 0 1 1 0, so no reduction is possible. Directly we can write difference d as x bar y plus x y bar, that is nothing but x exclusive or with y. This is the difference part. And similarly, if we write the same logic for borrow, then for borrow part it will be, by the help of K map, it will be x y 0 1 0 1. So it is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is it. That is borrow is equal to x bar y. This is it. So by this we can get the standards. That is, if a circuit has to be developed by the help of logic diagram, then x and y are the inputs and x exclusive or y is the difference. This is the difference part, and x bar y and x bar and y is the borrow part. This is x bar and this is it. So this is half adder. For full adder, we'll deal with not only with the 2 bits, it will be 3 bits. It's just an extension of this logic. So for the full adder, we'll deal in the next class. Thank you.